Hello, my name is Braden Carnes, and today I will be demonstrating a man-in-the-middle attack for my computer network's final project. I have an image right here that shows exactly how a man-in-the-middle attack works. So a user, or the victim, is attempting to send information or packets to the router to be forwarded on to the desired server. Instead of those packets going straight to the router, on a man-in-the-middle attack, a hacker intercepts those packets in the middle. So the user sends the packets, they're captured by the man in the middle, stored, and then forwarded on to the router. So the user is none the wiser, has no idea that his packets are being inspected and stored. The router will send response packets to the user, which will also be captured by the man in the middle, and then forwarded on to the user. So neither the router nor the user, without significant cybersecurity knowledge, is going to be pretty clueless on the fact that somebody is actually listening in to every part of their conversation. Today I'm going to demonstrate how this attack works and how it can be performed. So to begin, I'm going to scan my network for a device to actually perform this attack on. I'll be using a Windows 10 instance as the user and a Linux Mint instance for the man-in-the-middle attack. So to do this, we'll scan the network with MitM. Okay, you can see that it found 11 devices on my network, but we are looking for my Windows 10 laptop. I know the IP address is the 10.0.0.3. So that is the device that we will be performing this attack on today. In order to perform this attack, we will use EtterCap. It's a very handy tool. We'll specify -T for text only. We'll then specify -S to disable SSL certificate forging. We will then specify the interface, which is WLAN 0. Then we'll specify the type of attack, which is -M for man in the middle. We will specify what type of man in the middle attack we are using, which is an ARP poisoning attack. So we'll specify ARP remote. We will specify the router's IP address. Hold on. And then we will specify the IP address, the local IP address of the device we want to attack. And we saw that was 10.0.0.3. Okay, we will start the attack. Okay, you can see the packets are being captured. So in order to view these packets in a neat and clear form, we'll use Wireshark. So sudo Wireshark. Oops, typed my password wrong. We will specify interface, which is our wireless card. Okay, at the moment, we are capturing all traffic in the air meant for the router or coming from the router or any device in my vicinity. So we want to specify our captured packets from our victim's device. So in order to do this, we will specify in our display preferences, we'll specify what IP address we want to examine packets from or to. That would be 10.0.0.3, which is the IP address of the device we are attacking. Okay, we can see all information captured to and from the requested device. To prove that this attack is successful, I will go onto the laptop right now and visit a non-secured or non-encrypted website. The website I'll be using is actually called stealmylogin.com. So I am accessing the website right now. We can see it, all the data, all the packets are being captured. In order to actually read this information clearly, since it's not encrypted, we are able to read it. I will specify HTTP. You can see there it is, the Steal My Login website. We will go ahead and follow this HTTP stream, and we'll be able to see every packet in plain text that is meant for our victim machine. You can see it's a website to teach or to instruct on the dangers of not using encryption. Obviously, you can see everything in plain text. Most websites, thankfully, nowadays do use encryption. They're equipped with HTTPS, which is secure, unlike HTTP, which should never be used again. But you can see all the information in clear text. It's showing exactly what the PC is seeing on the screen. Now you can save these packets for future use. I don't need to save these, it's just a demonstration, but this is actually rather scary how easy it is to perform a man-in-the-middle attack. Next time you are using unsecured internet, whether it be at your local cafe or even school, be sure that the websites you're visiting are encrypted, because if not, anybody with minimal knowledge really can sniff and see every single packet that you are sending across. They can capture any data that you have sent or the server has sent back to you. I hope this enlightened a few people. Hope somebody learned something from this. Thank you for your time, and always be safe.